Minasan, konnichiwa. それから皆さん, today I'm just going to go through with you how to write for tasks on Education Perfect where you need to write an answer. So minasan, it's very difficult. If you start to type, what happens is that, like if I want to say konnichiwa or watashi no namae wa. Okay, so if you can notice here, minasan, you have a combination of hiragana and English letters, which we call in Japanese romaji. Okay, so what has happened is that the words that we type in and it's automatically trying to change what we've said to hiragana, to Japanese script. The problem is if we don't type in exactly the correct sentence, the letters in English, the script won't come up correctly. For you at the moment, we just want everything to come up in English letters in romaji so we can make sure that we're practicing to spell our words correctly. Because when we learn hiragana later, we need to make sure that we know the sounds in the letter, in the words, to be able to write the correct hiragana. So at the moment, we just want to write everything in romaji. So when this happens, minasan, we need to go. If you look down in the corner here, we have this little symbol. This tells us that what you're going to type is going to go into Japanese. What you need to do is, if you click on that symbol, that tells you it's going to go into hiragana. This symbol means it's going to go into katakana, which is another Japanese script. And this one, when we have an A, we know what we're going to write is going to be just left in English. Okay, so make sure once you start typing that the symbol down here is an A, and then you will have no problem writing your sentences in romaji. ありがとうございます。